Guys, welcome to my channel. Today's story is going to be on how to cut a kaftan using two different fabrics. At the front, one of these fabrics is going to be at one side and the other one is going to be at the other side. The same thing goes to the back. So I'm going to fold this into four now. So I'm folding this into two. Likewise, this I'm folding this also into two. The measurement for each material here is 1 trouser, which is 45 inches. So the measurement for the kaftan is going to be, the length is 51, the bust is 46, the waist is 42, and the back is 18. So I'm going to start with the measurements now. So I'm starting with the measurements now. I'm going to start with the back. The back here is going to be, I'm using 9, here to the armhole. It's a free gown, so the armhole should be 10.5, like this. So from the armhole, you're going to determine your bust. I said the bust is 46, so with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 46 divided by 4. So here, so from here I'm going to cut it like this. So before you cut it, you have to determine the armpit at the round sleeve. So my round sleeve here, I'm going to use 10. So you can see 10 from here. So with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 11. So you can see I'm going to start from here, not here. So this is the sewing allowance, so the round sleeve will not be tight. There's a kaftan. So from here, you are going to cut it. So from up again, you're going to determine your half length. I'm using 15 here for the half length. So to know where to curve. So this is the half length. So the half length, the waist here is 42. 42 divided by 4, that's 10.5. But with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 12. Yeah. Make it 12 here. So I'm going to cut it from the round sleeve here. From the round sleeve here to the half length. For the half length, then I'm going to make your line. So I told you earlier that the main measurement here, the length is 51. So I'm going to mark it here. So with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 52.5 here. You can see it. I'm cutting the neck. So the length for the neck here, I'm going to make it 4. The thickness of the neck is going to be 4, and here the wideness, I'm going to make it 5.5. This is the wideness and this is the deepness. So now I'm going to cut it. As you can see. Now I'm going to divide each of these into 2, like this. I'm done with the first one, it will mean the second one. So I'm done with the 2 sides. Now this is how it's going to be when I'm done with the sewing. You can see the 2 sides, the 2 different sides. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.